Hello everyone, this is my nonprofit site. What I wanted to do was have a place where people could donate things like birthday candles, birthday presents, loot bag items, loot bags, balloons, streamers, cake mixes, all the things that you would find at a child's birthday. There is some children that, due to circumstances beyond their control, well, of course, they can't have a birthday party. So there's no money in the budget, they're in a shelter, or they're living on the streets. So this charity would be somewhere where people can, when you're at Walmart or Target, just pick up a few extra things and just send them off. So what I wanted to do with this site when I originally did it was make it red, yellow, blue, balloons, happy things, and make it like a birthday party theme. But the more I thought about it, the more I thought, the people that are going to be wanting to read this won't be the kids, they'll be parents that can donate. So I had to make it a little more grown up, which is really hard for me because I'm not always that grown up. So what happens with this is through some very coaching, my donate button was always a different color, it wasn't outstanding, and I always had different lettering on it. So through my coaching, I made all my buttons donate now with red, and so people can see the call to action and they're similar on every page. Now, when you go to my menu bar, when you hover over it, we do that fun little line that we learned how to do. So the problem, I because I'm living in Canada, I put some statistics on there and a cute little boy and girl, sharing, and again my donate button with another little blurb for the call to action. And then I did another blurb on how the donations work with this great big donate button in the middle. So, when you're playing a game and you don't want to do something and you hit the red button because you're just attracted to it, this is what I was going for with that through some coaching. At the bottom, I have a gallery of some happy pictures of, things that kids would like for a birthday. And, that baby was just too cute. Then I went to, how do your donations make a difference? I made up some reviews of families that use it with, again, my big call to action, give the children a birthday to remember. And then I have my great big donate now, and here's my little blurb that goes with it. And then I put a list of items that the birthday, that this donation could use, this charity could use. So my main color choices were, I wanted to keep it grown up but fun. Some of the problems that I had was, my colors, I had to fix that. Some other problems were, or learning things, was that at first when they locked all that CSS, all that good stuff on WordPress on us, I was a little bit annoyed. But by doing this project, I realized that I could do different things with CSS and WordPress, and I'm not locked into what they want us to do. I found that we can actually pick apart the different elements and classes. Another problem I had was I was using way too many classes and IDs, and I had to get that organized a bit better. So the thing that helped me the most was I would look at it, I'd struggle on a problem, I'd put it down, I'd do something else, and then I would think about it for a while, and I'd come back and okay, we need to try this now. The other struggle I had was the rows, the sections, because I wanted the, titles in between to be right across the screen, and I didn't want the other stuff too to be, not inside. And this was, see if I can do it on here without ruining my screen. And then I want it to stack up when it went into mobile version, and I wanted my buttons to stand out. So sometimes converting it, it got a bit harder. My main header bar was starting to be thrown off. So, I did run into a few problems. I did use too many classes, and sometimes I just was stuck. But other than that, I now don't mind WordPress as much. I actually really didn't like WordPress. But now I actually don't mind it, and I had a good time with it. Anyways, thanks for watching. It was a great course.